Hello, and today we will talk about 5 myths of AI. Myth 1. AI will replace humans completely. Explanation. This myth suggests that AI will lead to mass unemployment because it will replace human workers across all industries. However, the reality is that AI is designed to augment human capabilities, not replace humans entirely. AI technologies can automate certain tasks and processes, freeing humans from mundane work and enabling them to focus on higher-level cognitive activities, creativity, and complex problem-solving. This results in a more productive and fulfilled workforce, as humans can leverage AI to handle repetitive or laborious tasks, leading to increased efficiency and innovation. Myth 2. AI is infallible and bias-free. Explanation. AI systems are not flawless and can only perform as well as the data they are trained on. If the data used to train an AI system is biased, the AI outcomes can also be biased and discriminatory. Therefore, AI is not inherently bias-free. Ensuring ethical AI development is crucial, involving identifying and mitigating biases in the data and promoting diversity in the teams building AI systems. Continuous human oversight and refinement are necessary to minimize bias and improve AI performance. Myth 3. AI possesses general human-like intelligence. Explanation. This myth portrays AI as having general human-like intelligence, including emotions, reasoning, and consciousness. In reality, AI is limited to narrow or specific tasks and lacks human-like understanding or consciousness. Current AI models excel at specialized tasks, such as natural language processing or image recognition, but they lack comprehensive comprehension or self-awareness. The idea of AI achieving general human-like intelligence, as depicted in science fiction, remains a distant possibility and raises ethical considerations if ever realized. Myth 4. AI will take over the world. Explanation. The fear that AI will gain control over humanity and dominate the world is popular in science fiction. However, AI is a tool created and controlled by humans, programmed to operate within predefined boundaries. While ethical considerations are vital in AI development, the notion of AI taking over is largely unfounded. Responsible development and governance ensure that AI remains a beneficial tool in various applications, empowering humans rather than overpowering them. Myth 5. AI is only for tech giants. Explanation. This myth suggests that AI is accessible only to large tech companies. In reality, AI technologies and tools are becoming increasingly democratized. There is a growing number of open-source frameworks and platforms available, enabling developers and businesses of all sizes to harness the power of AI. Small and medium-sized enterprises can also benefit from AI by improving their operations, customer service, and decision-making processes. This democratization of AI fosters innovation and levels the playing field across industries. In conclusion, debunking these myths is crucial to understanding the true potential and limitations of AI. By recognizing that AI is a tool to augment human abilities, addressing biases, acknowledging its current limitations, and embracing its democratization, we can make informed decisions about AI implementation and development for the benefit of society. Thank you for tuning. Goodbye.